Hello, my name is Vitor Verdelho, and it is a pleasure to briefly present my view about the Industry 4.0 revolution in Portugal and specifically in the algae biomass sector I work. But first of all, let's see how all of this started. Let's see what we can learn from the past. The Industry 4.0 revolution that we have today started in the 18th century, and in less than 250 years we went from steam power to Internet of Things. It was indeed a very remarkable evolution. In the present time, a very large number of countries is developing initiatives to embrace this Industry 4.0 revolution. In Portugal, in 2017, in the framework of an European Commission initiative, Portugal started a program for the digital transition that involves this Industry 4.0. This approach in Portugal was rather original and was aiming to have very fast results and a high impact. And the approach was to have COTEC, that is the main Portuguese business association, as the driving force. COTEC represents 16% of the GDP, and this way, through COTEC, it was easier to get these concepts that this new Industry 4.0 revolution brought to the sector, to different sectors. This policy initiative that lasted last 5 years was a mix of funding instruments with loans, tax aids, private investment, involved a very large number of SMEs, a global number of 50,000 companies, 200,000 workers, and had an interesting budget of 4.5 billion over 4 years. All this initiative was monitored and was closely looked at in order to avoid shifts and changes that were not in the program, and coping with weakness and threats of the program. It was a very comprehensive program, from technology and equipment, connectivity, product data, IT systems, organization and culture, to strategy. So all the impact areas were covered. All of this was done in a close approach with the benchmarking, trying to understand what were the best practices in other countries and along the years, so that the best solutions, the best and faster, most effective solutions could be implemented. Specifically for the algae biotechnology, for the algae biomass sector, we went to look at a specific approach, and we went to see the University of Technology in Sydney as the benchmark for this sector. Of course, we saw many others, but we had no problems in looking very far away in the other side of the planet for a benchmark. So the test lab that was developed in Sydney, it was an extremely good idea to adopt for Portuguese SMEs involved in the algae biotechnology. All of these look to the past, to the present, induced us to look also to the future. And the future that is coming, we could imagine a future that is rather different. So not more internet, not more robotics, but something else. And this future, it's imagined as the Industry 5.0, will bring new concepts, will bring cognitive systems to aid the Internet of Things and the robotics. So we will see more human-centric, more resilient, and more sustainable industry. This new industry of the future will have as key areas the education, leadership, and organization as the main drivers. This is the vision for the future. I hope you liked this brief summary. Thank you for your attention.